there, y'all. I am Gunn, marketing and sales expert, and I am here today to talk to you about how I made $80,000 in 60 days on LinkedIn. For those of you who aren't on LinkedIn, I hope that this video will propel you to start a profile over there. So I've been in business for around 11 years, and up until 2 years ago, I didn't have a website. And up until 18 months ago, I didn't have any kind of marketing in my business. Why? Because I was reliant heavily on referral traffic and long-term clients, and I needed a change. I realized that if I was going to scale my business, I had to do something about it. And doing something about it meant getting on LinkedIn, finding people, and figuring out how to actually sell to them. Now, here's the thing. On LinkedIn, I had no clue what I was doing. So I took all the courses and digested all of the information that I could, and I have whittled it down to a science. And here's what happened. I learned how to target my audience so specifically that I was able to get around a 90% close rate for every phone call I hopped on. Guys, if you're doing the math, if you're hopping on 10 phone calls, that means you're closing 9 clients out of those 10, okay? Now, I'm not saying I'm special, because I'm not. I just am really, really good at sales, and I'm gonna teach you how to be good at sales too, don't worry. But for the purposes of this video, I wanna talk to you about how I made my $80,000 in 60 days. So I started out prospecting, going after the clients that I wanted to work with, that resonated with me, that made sense to me. And I connected with as many of those people as I could, and I started a conversation, not an automated conversation, a real conversation in the direct messages. Now, during this time, I didn't have any articles. I didn't have any daily posts. I had literally nothing on my actual LinkedIn. My profile wasn't even optimized. I was so hyper-focused on finding clients that was all I was going to do. And so I messaged probably around 500 people, and most of them didn't reply, didn't respond, but the ones that did, the 10 that did, responded, and we started having a conversation. I got them from LinkedIn to a phone call, and from there I sold them into a package. I closed $80,000 in packages in less than 60 days. It was actually about 45 days. Now, that is cash in my pocket, in my business, okay? And you can do the same thing. And on this channel, I am going to teach you exactly how to do that. So your homework for today, my challenge to you, is for you to go onto LinkedIn and find 10 perfect people that are your ideal client and connect with them, okay? Good luck with your action of the week. Drop a comment down below. Let me know how it goes, or if you have any questions, and I'll see you next week. Bye.